gas cans. Yeah, you can put gas cans here.
Where's this, from a dealer or where?
Yeah,
Dealer, yeah.
Yeah, it's got the
Wow. Like,
it's got this part. So the roof above the driver, you can take off just that panel, or you can take off just the passenger, or both of them, and then you can take off the hard top. And then this is already installed inside of it. So if you take the hard top off, you already have this. And it bolts, like, so where you unbolt it there, this bolts in to make it for wind. Yeah. Huh? Oh, right. Oh, this is... This is all aftermarket parts.
I'll spray those on.
Yeah.
take it for a spin, whatever.
Well, it's got a souped-up engine in it, breather, everything. The breather is different, it's souped up, it's got a separate one.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Only 5 of them are used, so it's every other switch is used for this elaborate lighting system on the front. And then
And how does it drive?
cooler
Drives
for the,
great.
You love it.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
it just hit like yesterday 100,000 kilometers, so lots
Yeah,
to go.
I was going to
wow.
tell you to take
Yeah.
a picture of it. Yeah, she got it with 99,000 kilometers, yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, here. Where is it? There. Is it there?
And we didn't know until we bought it, but it has the thing.
It's so tall. Keep pushing it,
Start
Paul.
without being in it, which is good.
All right.
Go ahead.
That's the only way.
Winter?
Yeah, I never had.
Freeze your ass off.
Yeah, it's baked. See, he put
But
the
even
different
windows
system.
being
It's
covered is really nice.
souped up.
Oh, cooling system.
Yeah,
Oh, Rama.
yeah, and this is the lighting module that controls all the lighting on the front of it.
Oh, yeah. The light bar.
10,000-pound winch. They put they put heavy duty new calipers. They put heavy duty rotors and heavy duty brake pads. He said because he doesn't, when something like